On this episode, we're customizing a Munny figure. Wait, stop the video. Hi, I'm Ursa. I have to give you a little bit of a warning about this video. This isn't one of my typical tutorial videos. This is a video about making something work. First, let's pop off his head. Now, mix equal parts of Apoxie Sculpt together. We'll stick that Apoxie Sculpt directly onto the figure and start sculpting away. I'm using some water on the tips of my fingers to smooth out the clay. When you're customizing or kit bashing, it's a good idea to use an epoxy clay because you don't want to put any plastics in the oven. There's a possibility that the plastic might melt, and also you don't want to be breathing any of that nasty burning plastic, do you? Let's sculpt out his nose. And his mouth. Let's give him some eyes. Here are the bottom eyelids. I'm smoothing the clay onto the vinyl figure with my potter's needle. I want a smooth transition so that the clay looks like it's a part of the vinyl. I should have stuck to a simpler design for his eyes. You'll see why later on in the video. I'm sculpting out a brow wrinkle. He needs some crazy looking big eyebrows. I want to give him some big floppy puppy ears. I'm going to give him a long, slender neck. Let's attach his head and adhere the head to the neck. His ears were beginning to sag way too low, so I had to make a brace out of tin foil. Right now I'm making some fur to go on his neck. I'm using icicle shapes to make hair. Going to be a four-legged creature. I'm bulking out his body and his two legs with some tinfoil. Now wrap the Apoxie Sculpt around the tinfoil and adhere the body to the back of the figure. Adhere the legs the same way I stuck the body onto the vinyl figure. Forgot to stick on his other ear. Let's add some more clay to his midsection. Now it's time to prime him. Bling! There we go, all primed and ready to go. I'm not feeling confident about this shade of red. Now here's where things get ugly. I'm using the wrong paintbrush. I need to stop painting this thing. Oh, this thing is hideous. There we go, that's much better. Let's paint the inside of his ears pink. On his nose, I'm using purple color shift paint. Let's use a lavender for those big eyebrows. Let's see if we can fix his eyes. I'm taking a Dremel to these plastic doll eyes, and I'm going to see if I can take the lens off. I'm I'm just going to continue to pull it apart with some pliers and Dremel it until that top part comes off. That top part is separate, so it should eventually just pop right off eventually. I'm going to sand his eyes down flat so that I have a good place to adhere those eyes. That's much better. I'm going to dab on some glue and stick those eyes in. He's so cute. It's okay to make mistakes, and in most cases, you can fix them. Never doubt your ability to make things work.